The story begins in a small town where life moves very slowly. The streets are quiet in the morning, and people know each other well. In this town lives a man named Adam. Adam is a simple man. He works in a small shop and sells daily items. He wakes up early, eats simple food, and goes to work every day. Adam believes life should be calm and easy. He does not like noise or trouble. But his life is not calm, because his wife, Lily, is very different from him. People in the town often talk about Lily. They smile when they say her name. Some laugh softly. Some shake their heads. Lily is known as a strange woman. She speaks loudly. She laughs at strange times. She cries without reason. Adam loves her, but he is often tired and confused. He does not understand her actions. Still, every morning, he looks at her face and hopes for a peaceful day. Lily wakes up late every day. When she wakes up, she sings loudly in the house. Her voice is not sweet, but she enjoys it. She dances while making tea. Sometimes she breaks cups. Sometimes she forgets the stove is on. Adam often runs from the shop to check the house. Lily talks very fast. She changes topics quickly. One moment she is happy, and the next moment she is angry. She buys things they do not need. She sells things they need. When Adam asks her why, she smiles and says, "Life is short. Let us enjoy." Adam listens quietly. He does not shout. He does not fight. He cleans the mess and fixes the problems. At night, when they sit together, Lily tells long stories that do not end. Adam feels tired, but he still listens. He believes listening is better than silence. One day, Lily comes home with a goat. Adam is shocked. The house is small. There is no place for a goat. Lily says the goat looked lonely in the market. She says the goat understands her feelings. The goat eats their vegetables and sleeps near the door. Neighbors come to see the goat. Children laugh. Some people complain. Adam feels embarrassed, but he says nothing. He builds a small place for the goat outside. Lily names the goat Cloud. She talks to Cloud for hours. She tells Cloud her dreams. Adam watches from far away. He feels strange, but also a little happy. Lily is smiling more these days. Even if her actions are crazy, her heart seems soft. Adam starts to think that maybe love is not about understanding everything. Maybe love is about staying, even when things do not make sense. Lily's mood changes again after some days. She says the town is too small. She wants to travel. She wants to see big cities and tall buildings. Adam feels afraid. Travel costs money. They do not have much. But Lily packs bags anyway. She throws clothes inside without folding them. She forgets important things and packs useless items. Adam tries to stop her, but she does not listen. She says, "If we wait, life will pass." Adam looks at her face. He sees fire in her eyes. He knows she will not stop. So he agrees. They sell some things. They lock the house. They leave the goat with a neighbor. They take a bus to the city. Adam feels nervous. Lily laughs loudly on the bus. People stare, but she does not care. The city is big and loud. Cars move fast. Lights shine at night. Lily feels excited. She runs on the street and talks to strangers. She asks many questions. Some people smile. Some people walk away. Adam holds her hand tightly. He is afraid she will get lost. Lily buys strange food from the street. Sometimes she eats it. Sometimes she throws it away. Adam worries about money, but he stays quiet. At night, they sleep in a small room. Lily talks about dreams. She says she wants to sing on a stage. She wants people to hear her voice. Adam listens. He does not laugh. He does not say it is impossible. He just nods. In his heart, he feels tired, but also proud. Lily is not afraid to dream. One evening, Lily sees a small open stage in a park. People are singing and playing music. Lily's eyes shine. She pulls Adam and goes on the stage. Without fear, she starts to sing. Her voice is loud and broken. The song has no clear tune. People stop and watch. Some laugh. Some feel uncomfortable. Adam feels his face turn red. He wants to stop her, but he does not move. Lily sings with full heart. When she finishes, there is silence. Then a few people clap. Lily bows happily. She jumps off the stage and hugs Adam. She says, "Did you see? I am alive." Adam smiles weakly. Inside, he feels mixed emotions. He feels shame, love, fear, and respect at the same time. After that night, Lily wants to sing every day. She goes to parks and streets. Adam follows her everywhere. He carries water and bags. Some days are bad. People shout at Lily. Some tell her to leave. Lily cries on those days. She says the world is cruel. Adam holds her and says nothing. Other days are good. Children clap. Old people smile. Lily laughs loudly. Adam feels peace on those days. He starts to understand something. Lily is not crazy. She is just free in a way he is not. She feels everything deeply. She does not hide her heart. Adam starts to feel his own heart opening slowly. One night, Lily gets sick. She has a fever. She cannot sing. She cannot talk much. Adam feels scared. He takes her to a small clinic. He stays awake all night. He holds her hand. Lily looks weak and quiet. Adam realizes how much he depends on her energy. Without her voice, the world feels empty. Lily wakes up and smiles softly. She says sorry for being difficult. Adam shakes his head. He says she is his life. Tears fall from his eyes. Lily wipes them slowly. For the first time, she is calm. The room is silent. Love fills the space between them. After Lily gets better, they decide to return home. The city feels heavy now. The town feels warm in their thoughts. When they return, neighbors come to see them. They ask many questions. Lily talks loudly as usual. She tells strange stories. People laugh. Adam smiles more than before. He feels stronger. He is not ashamed anymore. He understands his wife better. He knows she will never be simple. She will never be quiet. But she is honest and full of life. They bring the goat back home. Lily sings to it again. Life continues. Some days are hard. Some days are funny. Adam still cleans messes. Lily still makes them. But now Adam laughs sometimes. He joins her dances. Slowly, he changes. Love changes him. He learns that normal is different for everyone. Peace is not always silence. As years pass, Lily's hair turns gray, but her spirit stays wild. Adam grows older too. He walks slower. But his heart feels full. They sit together in the evening. Lily talks. Adam listens. The town still calls her crazy. Adam smiles when he hears that. For him, she is not crazy. She is brave. In the end, Adam understands the lesson of his life. Love is not control. Love is not comfort. Love is staying, even when life is loud and strange. Lily rests her head on his shoulder. The sun sets. The world feels complete.